Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to complete the activity for the last week. I explained about a Cold War. The objective is to categorize cultural, socio-economic, political, and ideological as the result of the contemporary wars. The activity is to argue political situations for the World War countries. And last week I explained using a slide share about the topic. So today you are going to continue because we were at the half or more than the half of the slide share. So you could read more about it, and you have to watch the two videos here. I'm going to send you by Cibercolegios the links. And the activity you are going to complete during this hour is that you are going to create a problem tree analysis. Write down the main problem on the middle, the Cold War. Above you are going to use the facts and then you are going to use the causes on this way. So last class I explained some terms according to the economy or political situation on the Cold War, because I consider that you have and we have to reflect about it before to continue with the Cold War information. So the activity during this hour is that you have your time to complement your graphic organizer, the problem tree. Please don't send me this information by Cibercolegios yet. So the activity is going to be evaluated when I'm going to tell you at the end of the first guided stage, right? So please don't send me your activity. You have to complete the organizer, the graphic organizer, the problem tree on your notebook. And then for the next class, I'm going to continue with the analysis from other topics related with the goal during this term. So I'm gonna tell you what is gonna be the activity that we are gonna develop and when is the date that you are gonna send me all the evidences for the first guided stage. Thank you so much and see you next class in history class according to the World War. I love you so much and please try to do your best. Don't waste time.